Historically, Peru has distinguished itself by its excellent raw materials and by the capacity of its people to make quality products. Today, more than 90% of the companies in the country are micro, small, or medium enterprises. Although they generate about 76% of the labor and contribute 42% of the GNP, they still show very few export capacities, only 1.8% of all exports. In view of this situation, the Swiss government decides to support Peruvian small and medium companies to improve their participation in the global economy, generate economic growth, new jobs, and reduce poverty. Among the most significant disadvantages small and medium companies encounter at the moment of entering foreign markets are reduced management skills, lack of information, too basic technological development, and limited access to financial resources. By means of its Commercial Cooperation Program, PCC, the economic cooperation of the Swiss government helps small and medium export companies and providers of goods and services to access information on foreign markets. It also offers trainings and technical assistance and establishes contacts with interested import companies and brokers. The program relies on a wide institutional network specialized in exports on a national level, Peruvian Association of Exporters, ADEX, and internationally, the Swiss Import Promotion Program, SIPO, are the main strategic partners. The Export Trade Peru Business Roundtable complements this effort by facilitating connections and direct contacts between big companies, brokers, and export firms on one hand, and small and medium enterprises which provide goods and services on the other. This represents a new and effective way of business promotion based on the Business Matchmaker software developed by international consulting firm Stalker Group. In 2006, Export Trade achieves to join more than 200 pre-selected companies which prepared themselves beforehand in order to achieve the best of benefit out of a total of 4,400 scheduled business meetings. Workshops on efficient commercial negotiation. The workshops are held by international consultants with a large experience in commercial projects. Entrepreneurs who take part in Export Trade Peru are trained to present themselves and their offers to potential clients using the limited time available with the utmost effectiveness. This training allows entrepreneurs to participate successfully in the negotiations and achieve results. Business meetings. During 3 days of meetings, Export Trade Peru brought together more than 200 selling and buying companies interested in local products and services. Also, it achieved to extend business relations beyond the local market by helping big, medium, and small companies from different industries to get into direct contact. At the same time, it offered to all firms the opportunity to find potential clients and future commercial partners, pre-matched according to their profiles of offers and demands, their capacity, and service quality. Registration in Mercatu. Mercatu, the e-marketplace, is an innovative internet tool which allows the firms to continue their commercial contacts created in Export Trade Peru by means of a virtual business base. Mercatu has been developed by SIPO, Swiss Import Promotion Program, to support companies in their expansion to international markets. The participation is for free. As a result, the possibility of exporting is now at the reach of one click. All business roundtables have allowed participants to improve their corporative presence and to promote themselves with interesting business contacts, increase their base of providers for required products and services, know and share strategies to improve competitiveness, apply their acquired skills about negotiation and effective closing of deals directly and in a single place, meet exporting companies and brokers in order to access direct or indirect export opportunities. The cooperation of the Swiss government aims to reduce social and economical differences in Peru by means of promoting practices of good governance and sustainable economic development. In this perspective, the Swiss government helps private companies in developing countries to increase their competitiveness and access new markets by understanding that commerce brings growth and that growth represents the way towards development.